Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to slow down videos on CapCut in PC. So I'm using this media file so I can play it. Here you can see that this video is already slow motion. So let's change the speed of the video. Click on the video and on the right side you will see the speed tab, and if you increase the speed you will see that simple it the speed is increased, but this is not we want to do. We want some slow motions and some speed in the video. So go to the curve section and here you need to click on the customs, and here you can further drag it to the down to further slow down, and here to increase the speed, and here will be the normal speed. Let's play it. This is the normal speed, and from this speed you can see that the speed is increased and then again to the normal speeds. I hope you like the video. Please support my channel. Thanks for watching.